Welcome to the tutorial on how to download voice chat on the Eminent SMP. First step, you want to go to your choice of browser. Now, during this installation, you need three items, the first of which we're going to cover now. If you haven't installed that already, go ahead and go to Java Downloads for Windows at www.java.com/download ie_manual.jsp. All of the links will be in the description below. Now what you want to do is hit the download button. And now go to downloads, hit save. Now what you want to do is go to the following folder. And now after you're on the folder, what you want to do is right click and run. If possible, you want to run as administrator. Now go ahead and hit install. And there, everything should be set up. You might have to choose between 32-bit and 64. If applicable, you want to choose 64-bit over 32. 64-bit is a lot better with optimization. And now since I already installed it, it's going to say this. But it's already installed, and that's where you would choose 32 or 64-bit applications. Now, what you can do is just exit out, and it's perfectly all right. Okay, on the next step, we are going to cover the Fabric installation. Now, please go ahead and follow to the following websites, and they're on the same website, but at different links. So what you want to do is download the Fabric installation tool. Now it's at fabricmc.net/use/installers/ and that's where you're going to find Fabric API and the regular. Please download the following tools. Download for Windows, go to downloads, hit save. Now you go to the folder. Now you right click if possible and hit run as admin. Now, here you can choose from multiple versions. Right now, currently, the server is running on 1.20.1, and it is a lot more well optimized. There is a possibility you could use 1.20.2, but for now, I recommend using 1.20.1. And if the version updates, then just follow the update. Now, what you want to do is hit install, and make sure your Minecraft application is not open. Sometimes that can cause certain bad things. And also make sure your launcher isn't there as well. All right, on to the next step. We go and download the Fabric API. Now what you do is you hit download on the CursedForge website. Then it should be downloading automatically, so we gotta wait 2 seconds. Now go ahead and hit downloads. Then after it's finished completely, if it completes completely, what you do is you put it in the right corner or wherever you want to store temporarily. Now, what you want to do is open a new folder. Now, in this box, you want to go %app data %. And once you click that, it'll bring you access to your Minecraft directory. I spelt that wrong like an idiot. Don't worry about it. And then you go to .minecraft, and then you go to, if you have not a mods folder already, then you should make one with uppercase MODS. It shouldn't matter. Now what you would want to do typically is drag the Fabric API in there, but since I already did so, it is not necessary. Now that would be completely installed. Leave this tab open for later. On to the next step, we are going to install Plasmo Voice, and that's the final step. So please install the following item. I will list off the modrent.com/plugin/plasma-voice/version/fabric-1.20.1-2.06. No, 0.6. And then what you go ahead and do is you hit download and go to downloads. And then once it's fully installed, you can actually just drag it right into your mods folder. After it installs, that is. Now you just go down here, that like that, and then you drag it in there. But since I already did that, it won't really matter. That's a Fabric API. So if I just don't drag that in there, I've already installed it. Now, a lot of these steps you might be able to skip if you've installed the following before. Make sure to check beforehand if you have. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.